Okay, language explorers, let's look at today's Monday noun. So, moment. Moment. An unspecified amount of time. Unspecified amount of time, or a short instance. A moment. I heard it a moment ago. Just now, a moment ago. Yeah. I saw them just for a moment. I saw them just for a moment and they were gone. And they were gone. That's it, a moment. So, it should be here any moment now. They should arrive here any moment. So, just wait. Any moment now, he'll be here. Just wait. Yeah. A lot of moments have passed and we're still waiting. So they said they would be here. But I've waited and waited, but they are not here. Yeah. Yeah. Any moment they should be here. But that was moments ago. Yeah, they came just moments ago. They arrived just moments ago. They arrived just moments ago. Like they're here now, moments ago. Get ready. Yeah. So moment is singular. One, singular. And moments are two plus, plural. One moment, a few moments. Yeah. I will wait a few moments. I'll wait a few moments. Yeah, just a few moments. Aha. That's it. Yeah. So, that was the longest moment ever. The longest moment ever. That was a long time. That was a long moment. Time just slowed down. Time just slowed down. Like, whoa. That was a weird moment. That was a weird moment. Yeah. Yeah. We should be just waiting a moment. Just wait a moment. And that's it. We just need to wait a moment. Not much more. Not much more. Just wait a moment. Yeah. It should appear in front of us any moment now. Any moment now. Yeah. I will use that moment to take a break and think. And think just for a moment. Think just for a moment. Just for a moment. Okay. Yeah. I now have an idea. I now have an idea. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 Oops. Yeah. How cool is that? So after those moments, I had a clearer idea what I needed to do. It was quite important. Quite important, yeah. 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 How cool is that, language explorers? So, moment, a unspecified amount of time. Just how much time? Just a split second, half a second, 2 seconds, just any moment now. It should happen any moment now. Okay? Yeah. So, can you write moment in a sentence? Can you write moment in a sentence? Comment below. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.